Hey everybody, this is Dr. Paul Thomas with Plum Health DPC, and I got this question. I posted recently about buying this instrument, which is actually a little light, and it's used for speculums to illuminate the vaginal canal and cervix when you're doing a speculum exam. This is really important because if you don't have this, you have to use, basically a disposable speculum. There's nothing wrong with this. And you have to use a light. And so if you're trying to maneuver with a light and the speculum, it can kind of get a little bit cumbersome because the light has to be shining exactly where you're going. So, getting the visualization becomes difficult. So by purchasing something like this, it's like $200 on eBay or through Henry Schein, you can now use this. But what's difficult about it is you can't use it with these old speculums. It doesn't have an attachment piece. You have to buy a different kind of speculum that has an attachment for this. So this actually fits into the bottom of one of these speculums and illuminates the entire speculum, and therefore illuminates the vaginal canal. And you can buy these through Henry Schein. We have a contract with Henry Schein that allows us to buy 24 in a box. They come in small, medium, and large. Just like the disposable vaginal speculums, these are also plastic and disposable, but the bonus here is that these fit this light. Now, these are like $10 for 10 speculums, so it's really inexpensive. This is like $100 for this box, so it ends up being like $4 or $5 a speculum. So it's a bit more expensive, but I think it's worth it because it just makes it that much easier to do your job, which is find the cervix and get the cells that you need. If you're a patient watching this, you should have a pap smear if you're a woman every 3 to 5 years typically. And what we do is we use a little cyto brush to take cells from the cervix, and we also use a spatula to take cells from the front of the cervix. We send those to the lab. We get the results in 5 to 7 business days. It costs about $70, but the benefit is that it prevents you from getting cervical cancer. If there are any abnormal cells, we can do a biopsy or tissue removal to prevent cervical cancer. And that's what we're talking about, using this Welch-Allyn light and pairing it with a Welch-Allyn speculum to make this job easier. All right, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.